So in order to change the pads, you got to take this whole bar out, or at least get this bar into like in the middle of the wheel. That way you could tilt the tire and wiggle this out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Use the hammer just so I get this nut in there. Get it way in. Boom. So yeah, just push that bar into the tire and then that'll free that up. And then you can just pull this out. This is loose now. Next, you have a hydraulic press here, that silver piece. That needs to be pushed back that way. So, got a flathead. Stick it in there. And just push it back. Push it back just like that. Little guy comes out. Once you get the little guy out, I'm just pressing this bar back down towards the hydraulic press so I can get it out. And this is not like a super fast thing, like just take your time. You gotta play with it. There we go, got it out. Goof it. Good fitting is the motto, slogan. And it comes with a Goof It keychain and your brakes. Do that. Okay, so I'll put the big one first. And just follow what you did. Shouldn't have any problems. Boom, she's in. And then I'll put this bar back up like this. That locks this into place. Slid this bar up. Now I can get my little guy in there. That's the old one. And follow the curve. See how there's a curve on this? Follow it with the top curve. So if you forget which way it goes in, just look at the top one. The top one could only go in one way. So that'll make life a lot easier. Slide that bad boy in there. Okay, man. Try to push this big bar back down. And this back up. Because this piece needs to be able to slide in between the two, so I left a nice gap. See that? See if I can get a better angle here. There we go. See? And that's where the disc brake will insert right in there. All right. Let's get this puppy back on here. This part in first. Too easy. Oh yeah. nice and tight.
Tighten up your screw here. This will just prevent your wheel from moving forward and your chain becoming loose. So just make sure you get that nice and tight on both sides.
The best solution I found to making sure that your wheel's straight and also real tight is a tape measure. Just grab that. It's about 1.5 on this side. This side needs to be tightened a little more. And I just make them even. And once I got that going on, good to go. Perfect. Just a little brake cleaner.
I like to make sure I just get everything that has grease that's not supposed to be there, especially your brake, like the disc brake. Like, you don't want any grease on that. You want that to be nice and clean, so when your brakes make contact, it's solid and it doesn't slip on you.
I'm gonna lube my chain real quick.
I hope this helps you out a little bit. I got these brakes from Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. Saved a bunch of money doing the labor myself. It wasn't that hard. I wish you the best and have a good day.